Having trouble connecting your AirPods to your Xiaomi phone? It's super simple and you'll enjoy amazing audio quality and noise cancellation features. Even though AirPods work best with Apple devices, you can easily use them with your Xiaomi phone too. In this video, I'll show you how to pair them step by step. Let's dive right in. So first, what you need to do is open the settings app of your Xiaomi phone. From there, tap on Bluetooth. Toggle it on. After this, bring your AirPods charging case closer to your Xiaomi phone. Open the lid of the case. Now you will need to enable the pairing mode for the AirPod. On some AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold that for a few seconds to start pairing. For this model I'm holding, double tap at the front of the AirPod, right below the place where the green light shows up. With this, the AirPod will now be available on your phone's Bluetooth settings. Just tap on the AirPod on the Bluetooth settings and select Pair. You've successfully paired your AirPods with your Xiaomi phone. You've successfully paired your AirPods with your Xiaomi phone. Now you can easily take them out and use them however you like. Just remember, if you've already connected your AirPods to an iPhone, you'll need to forget the device in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. AirPods sync with iCloud, and they won't connect to an Android device if they're still linked to an iOS device. So keep that in mind. But other than that, you're all set to enjoy your AirPods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on your AirPods.